Hello and welcome to another recording of the Sprint. This is Sprint 6 by King Huynh, and in this iteration I wanted to show you that I finally got the centipede working. It moves around the mushroom as it should, although it does sometimes crash the code. I'm not too sure why, but I will be working into that. I did get the centipede working, which was the main part. All the critters are also working. The flea spawned the mushroom as it should. You can see the scorpion also creates a poison mushroom as it touches the mushroom right there, the green mushroom, and the fleas currently spawn the mushroom on a random number. So sometime it will randomly spawn mushroom. I also have the animation set in for all of the critters as well. So for right now, how the flea works is that it has is spawning mushroom at a random rate. I know that in order to spawn um, the flea spawns 5 mushroom at a time as it goes down. That I will work on within the next sprint, alongside the HUD and a bunch of other things such as the wave manager. My concern was mainly for the mushroom. I had the mushroom movement down, the head and the body. The only thing is that I did also comment out and put at the bottom the code that was in the reference for the infinite centipede, just to use it as reference. I will be working on this code, but probably as a test file later on throughout the sprint. I also have spider, which I don't have it moving in a diagonal up, down, left, right yet, but I will be getting into that. It shouldn't be as hard once I get the movements down. I also added in this iteration the mushroom factory. I believe that the mushroom factory will be an excellent addition to my code, since with the wave manager we'll be also working on the mushroom regenerating itself after every wave. So right now I am doing a protective coating, or a defensive coating right now, and I'm preparing myself for the future. Hopefully I'll be able to work on that after I polish out the centipede and get it working. I'm still testing a couple things with the centipede, including movement, speed, game mode, splitting. Splitting will also be part of the next sprint that I will do after I get the reference code prototyped into my code, and then I polish it and then edit it around. But otherwise, this is what I have so far. As you can see, I now again I have all the critters on screen. The health is in every value as the health is in the correct value. The centipede, every segment of the centipede and the centipede head has 1 health. The flea has 2 health. The AI does not change yet until I figure out how the AI act. The spider has 1 health. I don't have the HUD in yet, but I will be adding in the score later on within future iterations. And I will also be testing sound later on as well. Thank you very much.